So let's take a look at 11-11, and I did a 10.5 here to also just be similar to, but not quite the same as your guys' problem. So if you read the problem, I mean, it sounds it's one of those story problems that sounds kind of confusing, but don't make it that way. Just kind of keep it simple. So it says Terrier Company is in a 40% tax bracket, has a bond outstanding that yields 10% to maturity. Now I used different numbers, obviously, but we could say, this is our yield, right? This is our tax percent, and this is our effective yield. Okay, sorry, it's not as cute as I would like it. Is cute the right word? Not as good looking. Anyhow, so then you just plug in your numbers, right? And it's kind of given to you, except you got to figure out the effective yield. And what it's saying is that, if I started out with a yield at 5% and I had a tax bracket of 42%, my effective yield is, again, that same formula, that it's equal to this times 1 minus this. Okay. And then if it goes down a percent, that's all they're saying. If that goes down a percent and the tax bracket also changes, the marginal tax rate changes to 25%, well then I can just copy that formula down. My effective yield, or my effective rate, actually goes up by 0.1%. So I don't know if they're just trying to make us feel better about taxes or something. The taxes going down might not always be a benefit. Yeah, believe me, you'd save money other places, and so it would make up for this. So I don't know. I think this is just a communist plot to try to make us think that lower taxes are bad for us.